Making your English polite, mastering "you're welcome" and other polite responses. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're diving into the realm of polite responses in English, specifically focusing on how to use "you're welcome" and other similar expressions. These phrases play a vital role in maintaining a friendly and respectful tone in English conversations. So, let's dive in. When someone thanks you in English, the standard response is to say, "You're welcome." This phrase is universally understood and appreciated. Here's an example. Person 1, "Thank you for the help." Person 2, "You're welcome." Remember, "you're welcome" isn't just a phrase. It's a way of communicating respect and goodwill towards the other person. While "you're welcome" is a classic response, there are several other phrases you can use to add variety to your English conversations. 1. No problem. This implies that what you did was not a big deal or burden. 2. Don't mention it. This phrase suggests that you're happy to help and expect nothing in return. 3. It was my pleasure. This signifies that you enjoyed or were honored by the opportunity to help. 4. Anytime. This phrase communicates that you're always willing to help. 5. Of course. This indicates that your help was expected and gladly given. While these phrases are all polite responses to "thank you," it's important to use them in the appropriate context. "You're welcome" is the most formal and universally accepted response. "No problem" and "anytime" are more casual and best suited for friends and peers. "It was my pleasure" and "of course" are great for formal situations or when you're interacting with someone of higher status. Remember, the politeness of your response often depends on the relationship between you and the other person, as well as the situation in which you're conversing. That's it for today, folks. I hope you now feel more confident using "you're welcome" and its alternatives in your English conversations. Always remember, the key to mastering a language lies not only in grammar and vocabulary but also in understanding the nuances of conversation and cultural context. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.